Welcome to another new video of interesting math problem on our channel Math Solutions for You. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If 4x squared plus 1 by 9x squared is equal to 8, what is the value of 27x cubed minus 1 by 8x cubed? And problems of this type are fairly common in middle school to high school algebra, but this particular problem has a slight twist to it, which is why this is probably worth exploring. So we start with the expression that we have been given to evaluate, which is 27x cubed minus 1 by 8x cubed. And then we note that 27x cubed is basically 3x whole to the power 3. So it's basically 3x whole cube. And similarly, 1 by 8x cubed is basically 1 by 2x whole cube. And now we apply a formula that's used for the difference of cubes, which is basically a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. And this is a pretty standard formula for difference of cubes. It's pretty elementary to show that it will be these two expressions are equal. That's a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. But here, I'm just taking it for granted. And if I apply this for this particular expression, it becomes 3x minus 1 by 2x, and then that multiplied by, so here my a is basically 3x, so s squared will be 9x squared, and ab is basically 3x multiplied by 1 by 2x, and then my b squared is basically 1 by 4x squared. So we can actually rewrite this one as 3x minus 1 by 2x multiplied by 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared plus 3 by 2. Note that the term 3x multiplied by 1 by 2x, so that becomes 3 by 2 because x and x gets cancelled out, right, from the numerator and the denominator, and then we're left with 3 by 2 for that term. So that's where the plus 3 by 2 comes. So in this particular expression, I have highlighted 3x minus 1 by 2x and 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared in red, because I want to explore a little bit the relationship between the two. And to some it's obvious probably, but it's anyway just laying that out here. 3x minus 1 by 2x. So if I square that, I'll basically get 9x squared minus 2 multiplied by 3x multiplied by 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4x squared. So this is simple from the formula of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b squared, which is probably an even simpler formula than a cube minus b cube, or rather an even standard formula, right? Even more standard formula. So the middle term here, 2 multiplied by 3x multiplied by 1 by 2x. So x and x gets cancelled out, and that's just, we're just left with 3. So I can basically rewrite this as 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared minus 3. So we are given the value of 4x squared plus 1 by 9x squared, and that's equal to 8. But what I have in the expressions above, especially in the terms involve x squared and 1 by x squared, is not 4x squared plus 1 by 9x squared, but 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared. And the question to ask is, can we evaluate 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared from simply what we are given, which is 4x squared plus 1 by 9x squared? A little bit of inspection, and it's easy to see that if you take 4x squared plus 1 by 9x squared is equal to 8, which is what's given, and if you multiply both sides of this by 9 by 4, so I have to multiply both the left-hand side and the right-hand side by 9 by 4. Then on the left-hand side, I basically end up with 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared, and the right-hand side becomes 8 multiplied by 9 by 4, which is 18. So that's the, a little bit of twist to this problem. And, just some inspection, and we're able to see how we can get 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared simply from what we are given as 4x squared plus 1 by 9x squared. And once we have that, now I can basically evaluate this one, right? So we have been asked to evaluate 27x cubed minus 1 by 8x cubed, and we have already expressed it as the product of 3x minus 1 by 2x multiplied by 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared plus 3 by 2. And since we already know what 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared is now, which is 18, we can evaluate this, the second term of the product, right? So just simply add 3 by 2. So 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared is 18, and then 18 plus 3 by 2, which comes to 39 by 2. We still got to evaluate 3x minus 1 by 2x. But we know that 3x minus 1 by 2x whole square was 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared minus 3. And from the purple equation that we wrote, 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared is 18. So we can evaluate 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared minus 3 as 18 minus 3. And then the left-hand side of this, 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared minus 3, is simply 3x minus 1 by 2x whole square. And on the right-hand side, we have 15. So now we basically from this, we have 3x minus 1 by 2x is equal to plus minus root over 15. And here, don't forget to include the negative sign as well, because the square root could be both positive or negative, right? And we are necessarily told one way or the other, so we have to include both plus and minus. So this is basically the second term, or rather the first term in the product, right? We have expressed the expression 27x cubed minus 1 by 8x cubed as the product of two terms. And now we have evaluated both the terms. So we know what 9x squared plus 1 by 4x squared plus 3 by 2 is. So that was in green. That's 39 by 2. And we also evaluated what 3x minus 1 by 2x is, which is plus minus root over 15. So we just now, the solution could be simply obtained by multiplying these two together. So we have plus minus root 15 multiplied by 39 by 2. And this cannot be simplified any further, so it's okay to leave it like that. So I just put it like that, 39 root over 15 by 2. But it's important to include both the plus minus, so we are considering both the positive and the negative square root of 15. So that's why you have the plus minus sign. So the final answer will be 27x cubed minus 1 by x cubed will be equal to plus minus 39 root over 15 divided by 2.